Hello guys, welcome to Coding Arena. So in this video we will discuss about Wipro recruitment process for 2021 and 2022 batch. As you guys know, Wipro is currently hiring for the 2021 and as well 2022 batch. I will provide the link in the description. So let's talk about it. So Wipro recruitment process is divided into further steps like pre-placement talk, aptitude test, essay writing, coding interviews. We will discuss about every steps in the details. So what is Wipro is recruiting for? Like they are recruiting for project engineer. They will give you 3.5 LPA if you got Wipro offer, and if you got Wipro Turbo offer, they will give you 6.5 LPA. So Wipro heads from this Wipro Elite NTH exam, which is a national talent hunt exam for 2022 batch. So you have to attend this exam. If you clear this exam, you will go to the further steps. Then you will have interviews and you will get the job. So let's check the eligibility criteria for the Wipro. So education. In your 10th and 12th, you should have 60% and above. Same as well as in graduation, like in BE, BTech, BCA, you should have 60% of the minimum percentage. So you can, if you have only full-time course, like you are doing BE, BTech in full-time, then only you can apply. If you are doing this in part-time, yeah, you cannot apply for this. Year of passing is 2022. For this exam is 2022. If you are passing in next year, if you are currently in third year, you can apply it. Qualification will be BE, BTech, MEA Tech. Other criteria is here, which is not important for you. I think you should not have 3 years of gap, education gap. 1 or 2 will be okay, but not more than 3. And your, if you have backlogs during your graduation, you should clear all those backlogs before the selection process. These are nothing. You should be a Indian citizen, and you should have passport and some other documents of like Aadhaar card to verify yourself. Okay, so let's talk about the rounds in Wipro hiring. So the first round is aptitude test. Aptitude is the first round, which is divided in 3 subparts. They will ask in this round they will ask cons questions, logical and verbal questions. So in cons, like mathematics, there will be 16 questions for 16 minutes. Logical, there will be 14 questions for 14 minutes, and verbal also 22 questions for 18 minutes. The second round will be essay writing. When you give the first round, you have to write the essay. They will give you a topic. You have to choose the topic and you have to write about 250 to 500 words of this essay. So that's easy. You can do that by yourself. Just go to Google and research like what topics they asking, and prepare that topics, and you will be good to go. So the third round will be coding round. There will be 2 coding question, one coding question for general coding and second for DS is for data structure and algorithm. So first question will be for 20 minutes and second question for 40 minutes. Obviously the general coding question will be easy to medium. You can easily do that, and question 2 will be DSA, and you can see the time is also 40 minutes, so it will be little difficult to solve. Maybe you will get there some code for arrays, then you can easily crack it. But don't worry, you will not get the hardest question in this. So the fourth round will be interview. If you got good marks in these 3 rounds, you will be qualified for the interview part, and there will be 2 rounds for coding, one for technical interview, second for HR interview. Firstly, they will take your technical interview, where they will check your technical abilities, like how much programming do you know, how much codes you can do, how you can solve your coding problems. They will all talk about your technical skills. Then if you get clear that technical interview, they will give you a selection mail, and then you will have a HR interview. There they will ask you about your uh, this is a formal interview type, like they will ask about yourself. Then they will ask like if you are available for day and night shift, and if you can uh, relocate without any problem. And these are the questions they will ask, and then you will get the offer letter. So these are the all the rounds of Wipro hiring process. You should have, you must have prepare for the exam. All the best.